Very easy to do.
So there's a couple different options. A lot of guys will start with, they just want to paint. Everyone says they want to paint the blue line behind the machine when they're planting or whatever. They know what they covered. That's an option, but the majority of people, when they start, they want to start with the AutoTrac, which is the automatic steering of the machine. AutoTrac guidance is that's a very basic level of, let's get into some technology. So AutoTrac is taking a couple different items, pieces of hardware and the technology to do it, and it will steer your tractor. You will either make a straight line, most people always think of it as a straight line that it's repeating, or a curved line, and then it follows that line throughout your field. So you don't actually steer your tractor, it's steering automatically for you. So with AutoTrac, you basically need three things. You'll need a display with the activation, a receiver, which is the GPS globe up on top, and then an AutoTrac controller, which might be, if you buy a newer tractor, it might be integrated into the machine. A dealership can add it to the machine, or we can actually have, it's an AutoTrac Universal, and it's a steering wheel that we can put in an older John Deere or even a non-Deere piece of equipment that it will do the steering for you. But those three items are basically what you need for AutoTrac. Once those are ordered, depending on what level you get, either a technician can come out, install it, and do the calibration. If you have it integrated already in your machine, it might just be plugging in the display and plugging in the receiver. That's something that really anyone can do if they have the hardware there. Once everything's installed and everything is set up correctly, it is fairly straightforward. It does take a little bit to get used to what buttons to push and make sure this is on and how to set it up. But those are things that, walking through it a couple of times, a lot of guys get it really quick. They pick up on it, and they're used to just hitting the button or hitting the resume switch, and it takes off in the AutoTrac line, and it pretty much comes second nature to most guys after a couple days messing with it, using it.